we are going to be checking how I went from this to this. First thing you have to do is to cleanse your face with a micellar cleansing water or your wipes. Clean it thoroughly. Next thing is to do your skin prep by applying your moisturizer, your primer, your serum, and every other thing. Do your skin prep so that your skin will be hydrated and moisturized. The next thing you want to do is apply your foundation using a brush first. You go in with a brush first, then tapping it with your beauty blender like so. Make sure it is well blended into your skin like so. Then the next thing you want to do is to apply your concealer. Use the lighter shade in the corner of the eyes, your forehead, your nose, your chin, and also use a more cooler shade at the outer part. Now blend it with your beauty blender like so. Blend it thoroughly. Make sure you seal up your under eye. Do not forget, seal it up very well. Then the next thing you want to do is apply your contour with a foundation that is 2 shades or 1 shade darker than your skin tone like so. Do it, apply it on the corner of your eye, your face, and also contour your nose with the same foundation like the way I'm doing it. Then you spray your face. Then next thing you want to do is to apply a powder of the same shade as your concealer on the highlighted parts only. Then apply a darker shade on the contoured parts only. On the contoured parts only, like so. Then set the rest of your face with the powder of the same skin tone as yours, like so. Now the next thing you want to do is to set the highlighted parts with a setting powder, which is called baking. We call this process baking. You are going to leave the setting powder on the highlighted parts. Then the next thing you want to do is to set your contour with the powder of the same shade as your skin tone. You don't want any harsh lines on the contoured parts, only at the sides of your face. Now let's move to the eyes. You apply your eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base on your eye. Then after that, make sure it is well blended I used my finger in this case. Then after that, you are going to apply your eyeshadow, any color of your choice. In this case, I'm using my pink eyeshadow. I'm using the color pink, yeah. So just apply it like so. Yeah, apply it like so. The next thing is that we're going to cut the crease. Look at the way I'm cutting the crease using the same eyeshadow primer as I used earlier. Cut the crease like so. Yeah, do it that way, that way. Then what you want to do is apply another color of eyeshadow on the crease part, on the part where you cut the crease. Yeah, like so. This is what I got at the end of the day. So sorry I had to cut off the lip. By God's grace, I'm gonna drop a tutorial on the lip part. Then after cleaning off all the powder and everything, I set my face. After setting my face, that was when I applied my blush and highlighter. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.